tell me a little bit about how long you've worked for UC Merced, why you decided to make the Megalodon your field of study.
I've been at UC Merced for a little over 5 years now. I had initially taken a faculty position at the University of Kentucky, but I did my graduate work at UC Santa Cruz.
What drew you to that primary field of study?
MEGALODon is not necessarily my primary field of study. I specialize in a method called stable isotope analysis, which most people don't know anything about. I was really interested in applying this method, and I had this somewhat random idea that we could use it for fossil shark teeth, and no one had really probed, what sharks were doing in the past.
I was sort of curious as to how does one find fossil teeth in the ocean?
We actually don't go in the ocean at all to find our shark's teeth. Some of them are collected by scientists who have gone out and done field expeditions, but other ones are actually collected by just the public, and then they donate the collection to a museum.
What led to their extinction? Connected with the dinosaurs? And was it their sheer size that kept them as the top dog, as it were, in the water for so many millions of years?
The extinction of Megalodon didn't have anything to do with dinosaurs. Dinosaurs went extinct 65.5 million years ago. But Megalodon was around for well over 20 million years. That's what we have fossils for. But what happened at 2.5 million years was that there was sort of this restructuring of the ocean ecosystem. So we thought that maybe that could be one reason for contributing to the extinction of Megalodon, and we still think that that might be true.
Is there any chance at all that there's a Meg still lurking at the bottom of the ocean somewhere, undiscovered for all time?
While there are many parts of the ocean that are less explored, I think the sheer size of Megalodon and what we know about shark ecology makes it impossible that we have not found Megalodon if it's still living.
In terms of the comparison of the sizes of the two, the great white looks like a minnow compared to the Megalodon from what I've been able to figure out.
I think that the maximum size of great white sharks might be on the order of 20 to 25 feet, whereas for Megalodon, it's closer to 50 to 60 feet long. So that's, a maximum size of 2 school bus lengths. Or if you've ever gone snorkeling or scuba diving with whale sharks, that's about the same size, except that it has these giant teeth.
I think people are probably interested in megalodons, partly because of movies, but also because of things like Shark Week. Have you ever done anything like that before? And can you talk a little bit about be talking about on Shark Week?
I think it's rather fascinating that sharks have 2 weeks of popular programming dedicated to them between Shark Fest and Shark Week. Really incredible how sharks capture the imagination and curiosity, and maybe also play upon the fear of people. Because there's no other group of organisms that have 2 weeks of popular programming. So it's been a very exciting ride to sort of be involved with this project.